Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we are here for the grade 10 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter slope intercept form. Write an equation from a word problem. So let's just start with the lesson. You have to write down the lesson. Okay, here I am slope intercept form, write an equation from a word problem. Let's just start with the equation. So you're given with the table, you have to write down the word problem, you have to write down the equation. Okay, since starting a new recycling plan, Toys Office recycle 2 kilograms of paper each week. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the weeks X and paper recycled Y. So you have to find out the relationship between X and Y. Got it? So it would be each day, it would be 2 kilogram each week. So let's say first week it would be 2 times 1. The next week it would be 2 times 2, then 2 times 3, and it would be then 2 times x. So that means the equation for this relationship is y equals 2x. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, Shelby earns $2 every cup of lemonade she sells. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of cups sold X and the earning Y. Okay, so for each cup she got $2. Got it? Let's suppose if she has one cup of lemonade, the amount she earns is 2 times 1. Got it? When you have 2 cup of lemonade, it would be 2 times 2. Then for 3, it would be 2 times 3. And for if you have X cups, it would be 2x. Got it? That means the equation would be y equals 2x. Option number 1 is the correct option. It would be y equals 2x. Okay, since starting a new recycling plan, Troy's office recycles 2 kilograms of paper each week. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the weeks X and the paper recycled Y. So which is the correct option? That's the one we did on the board. We did on the tutorial. So it would be Y equals 2x. The correct option is Y equals 2x. Okay, the next one is Christine can grow 2 flowers with every seed packet. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of seed packets and X and the total value flowers Y. So let's suppose you have one seed packet. So you can grow 2 times 1, 2 flowers. When you have 2 seed packets, you can grow 2 times 2. When you have 3 seed packets, you can grow 2 times 3. So when you have X packets, you can grow 2x flowers. Got it? So it would be, the equation would be y equals 2x. Got it? That would be equation number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Isaac jars 2 liters of jam every day. Write an equation that shows the relationship. Okay, so which is the correct option? Yes, it would be y equals 2x is the correct option. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is Okay, linear equations solve for y. The next one is linear equation solve for y. So the equation is y plus 5 equals 1 by 10 times x plus 10. So you have to rewrite the following equation in slope intercept form. You have to write down the equation in slope intercept form. So the slope intercept form is the slope intercept form of the equation is y equals mx plus b. Basically, you have to rewrite the equations in this form. Got it? Let's just start with the first example. The first example is y plus 5 equals 1 over 10 x plus 10. Got it? You have to write down the equation in this form. Got it? Now just multiply both sides of the equation by 10 because you have to remove that 10. So it would be 10 times y plus 5 equals 10 times 1 over 10 and x plus 10. So 10 and 10 cancel out. So you are left with 10y plus 5 times 10 is 50 equals x plus 10. Move that 50 to the other side. Got it? So it would be 10y equals x plus 10 minus 50. So it would be x minus 40. Now you have 10 with y. You have to remove that 10 also. Divide both sides of the equation by 10. So it would be y equals x over 10 minus 4. Got it? So the correct option is y equals x divided by 10 minus 4. Got it? Just write the equation like y on the one side and the rest of the things are on the other side. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, y plus 5 equals 1 by 10 times x plus 10. I think that's the one. Yes, y plus 5 1 by 10 times x plus 10. So it would be x over 10 minus 4. Got it? Y equals x over 10 minus 4. Correct option is the second one. Okay, the next one is y minus 1 equals 5 times x minus 1. Y minus 1 equals 5 times x minus 1. Okay, it would be 5 minus 1 equals 5x minus 5. Just multiply 5 times x and 5 times 1. Move that negative 1 to the other side, so it would be y equals 5x minus 5, and it would be then added to the other side. So it would be 5x and minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So it would be y equals 5x minus 4. Got it? Correct option is y equals 5x minus 4. Okay, the next one is y minus 6 equals 10 times x minus x plus 4. So just move that negative 6 to the other side. So it would be y equals 10x plus 10 plus 4 is 40 and minus 6 it would be then added to the other side. Got it? So it would be y equals 10x and plus 46. The correct option is y equals 10x plus 46. Okay, the next one is y minus 2 equals 5 times x plus 6. So which is the correct option? It would be 5x. 5 times 6 is 30 and move that negative 2 to the other side. It would be then added. So it would be y equals 5x plus 32. Got it? So the correct option is y equals 5x plus 32. Okay, the next one is y plus 3. So it would be move that 3 to the other side. It would be negative 6x plus 6 and negative 3. It would be then negative 3 on the other side. Got it? So it would be negative 6x, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So it would be y equals negative 6x plus 3. The correct option is y equals negative 6x plus 3. It would be option number 1. Okay, the next one is y minus 6 equals 1 over 3 times x minus 3. So first you have to multiply both sides by 3. To remove that 3, it would be 3 times y minus 6 equal. Okay, you don't need to multiply 3 both sides. Got it? Hold on. It would be y minus 6 equal 1 over 3x minus 3 over 3. It would be y equals 1 over 3x minus 1. It would be then positive 6. So it would be 1 over 3x, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So it would be y equals 1 by 3x plus 5. The correct option is y equals 1 over 3x plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is y plus 2 equals negative 8 times x plus 1. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? It would be y equals negative 8x minus 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, y plus 10 equals 1 by 5 times x minus 5. So it would be y equals 1 over 5x minus 5 over 5. And when you move that 10, it would be negative 10. So it would be y equals 1 over 5x. 5 over 5 is 1, and minus 10. So minus 1 minus 10 makes 11. So it would be 1 over 5x minus 11. Got it? So the correct option is y equals 1 by 5x negative 11. The second option is the correct one. Got it? Okay, y minus 2 equals 5 times x minus 4. So which is the correct option? Correct option is y equals 5x minus 18. The second option is the correct one. Okay, y plus 8 equals 1 by 6 times x minus 6. So which is the correct option? It would be y equals 1 by 6x minus 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Y equals 1 by 6x minus 9. Okay, y minus 10 equals negative 9 times x plus 3. So which is the correct option? it would be, you have to multiply -9, it would be y minus 10 equals -9 times x plus 3. Okay, it would be y minus 10 equals -9x and plus minus 9 times 3 is 27. Now move that -10 to the other side, it would be -9x minus 27 and plus 10. So it would be -9x and minus 17. So the equation is y equals -9x minus 17. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, which is the correct option? Y minus 3 equals 1 over 3 x minus 9. So it would be, it would be x plus 9. Okay, y equals 1 over 9 times x plus 9 over 9 minus plus 3. When you move that -3, it would be positive 3. 1 by 9x plus 1 plus 3. So it would be 1 over 9x plus 4. Got it? So the equation is y equals 1 by 9x plus 4. Second option is the correct one. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is write linear functions to solve word problems. So we are going to solve word problems. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Kirk already has 2 flowers in his garden and he can also grow 2 flowers with every seed packet he uses. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of seed packets and the total number of flowers. If you have to write down the equation, got it? So he already have 2. That means with 0 seed packet, he already have 2 flowers. Now with 1 packet, he can grow 2 times 1 plus 2. That means he can grow 4 flowers. With 2 seed packets, he can grow 2 times 2 plus 2. So it would be 6. So that means if he have S seed packets, he can grow 2 times S plus 2. Got it? So the relationship is 2S plus 2. Got it? You just have to find the relationship. It would be plus 2. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Just make a table. It would be then. Kirk already has 2 flowers in his garden. That's the one we just did on the board. So the correct option is F equals 2S plus 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is David's retirement party costs $2 for every guest he invites. Got it? What is the maximum number of guests there can be if David can afford to spend a total of $8 on his retirement party? So the total money he has is $8 and one guest costs $2. So how many guests he can invite? So the cost is $2. If he invite one guest, his cost is 2 times 1. Got it? If he invites 2 guests, it would be 2 times 2. So if he invite X guest, it would be 2 times X. Got it? So the equation would be Y equals 2X. Now he has $8. It would be 8 equals 2 times X. You need to find how many guests he can invite. X is the guest. So you have to divide both sides by 2 in this case. So 2 times 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. That means with $8 he can invite 4 guests. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Okay, Vincent set a watch 2 seconds behind and it falls behind another one every second every day. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the days since watch was last set D and the second behind S. Okay, so 2 seconds he already behind on day one. It would be 0 plus 2. That is the one already behind. It would be 1 times 1. Every day he goes back by 1. So on day 2 it would be 2 times 1 plus 2. No, no, no. Daily he goes back by 1 second. Got it? So it would be, hold on day 1 it would be 1 plus 2. On day 2 it would be 2 plus 2. On day 3 it would be 2 plus 2. That is the 2 already back. So it would be, if D is the day, it would be then D plus 2. So that means the equation would be D plus 2. Got it? The correct option is S equals D plus 2. Arjun has already cycled 1 kilometer this year. Plus, he plans to cycle 1 kilometer during each trip to work. How many trips will Arjun have to make to cycle a total of 10 kilometers? Write in and solve an equation to find the answer. Okay, first we have to find the equation, then we have to solve. So he already cycled 1 kilometer. Okay, trips. Okay, let's suppose it's its first trip. So it would be 1 plus 1. Got it? If it would be its second trip, it would be 2 plus 1. If it would be its third trip, it would be 3 plus 1. So if it would be its x trip, it would be then x plus 1. Got it? The equation is y equals x plus 1. You are given he already have 10 kilometers. So it would be 10 equals x plus 1. It would be then x equals 10 minus 1, because you have to find the trips, how many trips he did for 10 kilometers. It would be x equals 9. That means if he can trip 9 trips to the office, he can total cycle 10 kilometers. Got it? So the correct option is x equals 9. Got it, everyone? It would be x equals 9. Eve has already prepared 2 kilograms of dough and will continue preparing 2 kilograms of dough every hour. How much dough did Eve prepare if she worked for 4 hours? Okay, so first hour she can make 2 times 1 plus 2, because every hour she can make 2 kilograms. On the second hour she can do 2 times 2 plus 2. So if it has x hours, it would be then 2x plus 2. Got it? So you need to see how much does she make in 4 hours. So it would be then y equals 2x plus 2 and y is 4. So equals 2x plus 2. Move 2 to the other side. It would be then x is 4. If she works for 8 hours, x is 4 actually. It would be 2 times 4 plus 2. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 plus 2 equals 10. That means if she work for 4 hours, she can make 10 kilograms of dough. Got it? So the correct option is 10 kilograms.
Derek walks 2 kilograms during each trip to school. How many trips would Derek have to make in all to walk a total of 8 kilometers? So when he goes school by first time, he have 2 kilometer. When he can go second time, he have 2 times 2. When he goes third time, it would be 2 times 3. So if he goes by x kilometer, it would be 2x. X times it would be 2x. So you have to calculate how much for 8 kilograms, how much 8 kilometers, how much trips he have to do. It would be y equals 2x. It would be 8 equals 2x. So it would be x equals 4. That means he have to make 4 trips to school to do 8 kilometers. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Okay, a puppy named Pumpkin started at the 2 pounds and gained 2 pounds every month. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the age A and the weight B. So he started at 2 and each month he gained 2 kg weight. So the correct option is 2A plus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Anita has already knitted 1 centimeter of scarf and can knit 2 centimeter each night. Write an equation that shows the relationship between nights and the length knit T. So which is the correct option? She already has 1 centimeter. So it would be T equals 2n plus 1. Got it? Okay, you can complete that test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is complete a table and graph a linear function. So you have to complete the table and then you have to graph. Got it? So let's just start with the first example. You are given complete the table and graph the function. So let's just complete the table. It would be f of y equals 3x. Got it? The function is 3x. So if x is 0, f of 0 is 3 times 0. That means it is 3. Then you are given x equals 1. It is f of 1 and 3 times 1, that would be 3. Then you have x is 3, it would be f of 3 and that would be 3 times 3 and that equals 9. So the values are on when x is 0, f of x is 0. When x is 1, f of 1 is 3. F of 1, yeah, yes, and when x is 3, f of 3 is 9. You just have to plot these points on the graph and connect them to make a line. Got it? It would be 0, 0, 1, 3 and 3, 9. Let me just make a table. Okay, the values are, the pair of values are y, sorry, x and y. 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 9. Okay, here is 0, 0. Here is x is 1 and y is 3. Then you have 3 and 9. Here you have x is 3 and y is 9. So just join these 3 points and make a line. That would be, that's how you graph the table. Got it? So this is the method. If you are given with the equation, you can make a table and then you can form the graph. Got it? Here is the straight line of the graph. Okay, just look at the other example. The other example is f of x equals 5x, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, f of x equals 5x. You have to calculate f of 0. So 5 times 0 is 0. Then f of 1, you have to calculate 5 times 1. That would be 5. Then f of 2, it would be 5 times 2 and that equals 10. So the pair of values are 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 10. Let's just plot the points. Here you have 0, 0, 1 and 5. X is 1, y is 5. X is 2 and y is 10. So just connect these points and make a straight line. Got it? So that would be the correct option. Here is the point 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 10. Then here is the point on the graph. And then here is the line. Got it? You have to connect these points and make a line. Okay, the next one is y equals 3x. You have to calculate the values at 0, 1, 2, and 3. Got it? It would be y equals 3x, 0. 3 times 0, it would be 0. 1, 3 times 1, it would be 3. X is 1, y is 3. 2, 3 times 2, that would be 6. 2 and 6. 3 times 3, that would be 9. So when x is 3, y is 9. Here is the pair of values. You have to plot 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, and 3, 9. Just join the points and make a straight line. Got it? So here is the table of values 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. Here is the points on the graph. Here is a straight line that connects these points. Got it? So when you are given the equation, you have to make the table and then you have to plot the points on the graph. That's how you plot a graph. Got it? So you don't have practice questions for the lesson. You have just the lesson. You don't have the practice questions. So please find the practice questions on your book. Do as many practice questions as you can. And if you still need help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So we were working on grade 10 maths. The chapter we were working on is linear functions. And the lessons we have covered today are slope intercept form, write an equation from a table, linear functions, linear equations solve for y, write linear functions to solve word problems, and complete a table and graph a linear function. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So please ask if you have any question. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.